Understanding Print Resolution, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we will be unraveling the concept of print resolution. This is a term you might have heard if you're interested in printing, photography, or graphic design. Print resolution is crucial for ensuring that your printed images look sharp and detailed. Let's dive into what this term means and why it's so important. Print resolution refers to the level of detail in a printed image, expressed in dots per inch, DPI. It indicates how many ink dots a printer can place in a 1-inch line, directly affecting the clarity and detail of the printed image. The higher the DPI, the more detailed and clearer the image. It's similar to how a higher pixel count in a digital image leads to better image quality. Understanding and using the correct print resolution is crucial for a couple of reasons. 1. Quality of print. High-resolution images are sharp and detailed. If you use a low-resolution image for printing, it might appear blurry or pixelated. 2. Professional standards. In professional settings, like publishing or advertising, maintaining a high print resolution is essential to meet industry standards. Choosing the right print resolution depends on the purpose of your print. Here's a quick guide. 1. Text documents. For standard text documents, a resolution of 300 dpi is usually sufficient. 2. High-quality images. For professional prints, like photographs or marketing materials, a higher resolution of 600 dpi or more is recommended. 3. Large format prints. For banners or posters, where viewers typically stand further away, a lower resolution, like 150 to 300 dpi, might be acceptable. Let's clear up some common misconceptions. More DPI is always better. Not necessarily. Higher DPI means more data and larger file sizes, which isn't always needed, especially for standard documents. DPI and PPI are the same. DPI refers to print resolution, while PPI, pixels per inch, refers to digital image resolution. They are related but not interchangeable. Understanding print resolution is key to producing high-quality printed materials. Whether you're printing a simple document or a large banner, choosing the right DPI ensures your prints are clear and professional. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of print resolution and how you can apply this knowledge in your printing tasks. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.